Have you been thinking about freelancing but feel stuck because you don't have any experience? Don't worry, we've all been there. Today, I'm going to show you how to start freelancing in 2025, even if you're a total beginner. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to kickstart your freelancing career. Let's get started. First things first, identify your skills. You might think you have no experience, but take a closer look at your daily life, past jobs, or hobbies. Can you write, design, organize, or manage social media? These are all valuable skills you can monetize. Don't stress about being perfect. Many freelancers start small and improve over time. Next, choose a niche. Narrowing your focus makes you stand out. For example, instead of being a general writer, specialize in blog posts for health and wellness. If you're into graphic design, target industries like real estate or e-commerce. Specialization shows potential clients you're the right person for their specific needs. Now it's time to build a portfolio. But how do you do that with no clients? Create sample projects. If you're a writer, write mock articles or product descriptions. If you're a graphic designer, create logos or social media templates. Showcase these on a free portfolio website like Behance, Dribbble, or even Google Drive. Once your portfolio is ready, join freelancing platforms. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are great for beginners. Start by offering services at competitive rates to build reviews and a reputation. As you gain experience, gradually increase your rates. Pro tip: craft a strong profile with a clear description of what you offer and how you can help clients. Don't underestimate the power of networking. Let your friends, family, and social media connections know you're freelancing. Many freelancers land their first gigs through referrals or by offering services to people in their network. You can also join online communities, such as LinkedIn groups or Facebook groups, to connect with potential clients. Another important step is to learn and improve. Freelancing is a competitive field, so invest time in developing your skills. Use free resources like YouTube tutorials, Coursera, or Skillshare to stay ahead of the game. The better your skills, the easier it will be to attract high-paying clients. Finally, stay consistent and patient. Freelancing takes time to build momentum, so don't get discouraged if things start slowly. Focus on delivering great work, asking for testimonials, and refining your process. Over time, your reputation will grow, and so will your income. And that's it, how to start freelancing with no experience in 2025. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and the most important thing is to take that first step. Which freelancing niche are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for more freelancing and career tips. See you next time.